Kuna vitu tamu, things that I enjoy doing a lot. So one of those things is, no, at last I understand why most pilots either like chicken or behave like chicken. Do you ask yourself that question? Most pilots either behave like chicken or they like chicken, but before they fly, they're eating KFC, fried chicken, man, fried rice and chicken. What fried rice and chicken? You're just behaving like a Nigerian. Oga, you go give me some fried rice and chicken, no, or I go tell my mother. Like, ha. So the reason why most pilots like fried rice and chicken is because in the aeroplane they sit in the cockpit. Okay, that's an engineering joke. Only the engineers get that. The cockpit. Okokure na majugo wenzao. See, even this chicken gets it. The dog gets it. And even the monkeys get it. And I get it. Alright, now that we're already talking about planes and pilots and everything and already in the sky, let us look at heavenly bodies in Ekegusii. So now, in Ekegusii we have, okay, in the sky, in the heavenly bodies, of course, heaven, IGORO. IGORO na totare. Yeah, so IGORO is heaven. In Syria, Ingia. Nsengia botane, to mera nege wengia. In Singia, that is heaven. So now, Omotieni is the moon. Of course, Emetieni is the month. Korean kegera. Emetieni as months are described by the movements of the moon. You get it? Emetieni and Emetieni. So Emetieni is Omotieni is the moon. Emetieni is the moon's. Erioba is the sky. The sky is the limit. That's for everyone apart from aerospace engineers and aerospace engineers and astronauts and astronautical engineers. Yeah, for us, the limit is the amount of fuel in the rocket. Risase is the sun. Yeah, Risase is the sun. Masase is the sun. Masase, the sun, in case it's a solar system or a galaxy that has more than one sun. For the one I know, we have only a single sun. Rire, amare, rire. Those are the clouds. The clouds. That means wasichana wa Mungu wameenda mtoni. That means mvua inanyesha. So omukubinyongo is the rainbow. Rain, go away. This may matters washing day. Come again another day. Embura is rain. What embura nyerere, embura ya magena, all those things. We talk about them in another different episode. And then chingenangeni are the stars. Yeah. Are you a star in someone's somebody? Are you a star in somebody's life? That's interesting because the lady is actually called a star. So on a journal, like, my gosh, I'm a star. I mean, I'm an heavenly body. Yeah, alright. I think that is it for this episode. No, heavenly bodies are not that much. ANC is the world. IGORO is heaven. ANC India is heaven. Omotieni is the moon. Irioba is the sky. Risase is the sun. Amare are the clouds. Mokubinyongo is the, what did I say? Mokubinyongo is the rainbow. Tingenangeni are the stars. You see, heavenly bodies are that easy. So I think I can even crown this episode at this point, because now that we understand when you're the rainbow is called Omukubinyongo. I think it's a lot of Najuanga. Rikundesi is a cloud, a dense, smoky cloud, Rikundesi, but people don't know those ones. You know, Omukubinyongo is a rainbow. Yeah, you need to know that. When unasaidia wasee kwa kijiji, unajua ninajua unajua ninajua jina la rainbow kwa Kikisii inaitwa Omo kubinyanga, ama kubinyanga. Yeah, wati ya mantu kuwate. Ukiwa na psych man, usiambiwe chochote. Yeah, that is it for this episode. See you in the next. Thank you for joining me. Please remember to go right about here to subscribe. Yeah, and make me a very happy boy. Please make me a happy boy. Yeah, like I said, Nyangaresi is coming back in a big way. Just wait for it. Nyangaresi is coming. Anakuja. So please, till the next episode, I'll see you then.